to our YouTube channel. I'm Dom.
And I'm Tom.
And we are back with another snack crate. We have not done one of these in a hot minute.
But we did hit 300 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for that. You don't understand how much it actually means to us, and all your guys' support really drives the channel and makes us want to keep putting out these videos for you guys. If you guys are new around here, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and leave us a like if you did. Go ahead and enjoy this video. For those of you that don't know what Snackcrate is, it's a monthly subscription box that you can cancel whenever you want. So if you just want one box 1 month and you don't want one for another 4 months, you can go ahead and do that, and you can pick the country of your choice, or you can leave it up for them and do a mystery box. So let's dive into this box.
Alright, so by the title of this video, you can tell we have Japan this time. Ooh. When you open the box, you're greeted with kind of like a little pamphlet. It tells you obviously what country you are going to be trying the snacks from. And when you open it, it tells you a little bit about the country, like the demographics, and some fun facts. So for example, Japan is the last country in the world to have an active emperor.
Alright, so without further ado, let's peel back this beautiful paper that they always do, and it looks like it's got like a mountain on it. I'd like to give a little view of the whole box. They are jam-packed with snacks, and I'm excited to get into this one. I've actually always seen YouTubers eating Japanese snacks, but I've never really tried it myself.
Me neither.
It seems like it's a very popular thing, but I've never done it myself. So we have this snack right here. Sorry for those of you that I won't be able to pronounce any of this, but it says Viva Happy, and it's a little guy with like maracas, and it looks like there's like a taco and some nachos on the cover.
Koiki ya Don Tacos. It's a Japanese spin on a Mexican cuisine. These crunchy corn tortilla chips have a unique tangy and savory flavor.
Ooh, they spell chili.
Ooh, they look like
It looks like a Dorito. Yeah, it looks like a little Dorito chip. It actually smells good.
It does.
Are you ready?
Right?
Cheers. Oh yeah, that's good.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, that's really good. I'll be eating more of these. You too?
Those are really good.
They taste like the chili Doritos. You know the chili Doritos?
Yeah, oh, they're really good.
You usually never get a second.
I know. This is a rare occasion. All right, so next I'm going to try, let's see.
I give that last one a big thumbs up.
All right, so it looks like this. It's called Let's Make It Apple Candy. This interactive treat has everything you need to create your very own gummy version of it, the ever popular candied apple. So it's interactive.
What does that mean?
It kind of reminds me of like, you know, like the where you put the sour
here you go.
sweet
Look, there's instructions.
thing.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
There's instructions 1, 2, and 3 on the back. It looks like you take it out, dip it. I don't know. This one looks very different.
Like a baby bottle pop.
So I'm trying to show the camera. So there you go. It's got these like gushers here. And it's got this sugar up top, and then it looks like some sticks to poke it with and some juice. I don't know. So far, I think Russia has been the best box, but I don't know. I'm feeling good vibes from this Japan box right now.
But you know, from watching our other snack crates,
it can change real quick.
It can change real quick, 100 to 0.
All right, so pour the sugar out.
All right, so there's the sugar.
So you don't pour it together. You pour that into the other hole. That thing is not moving. Gravity is not working well with that thing. Come on, gravity! Holy moly, that does not look healthy. This is what we are working with here. As you can see, it's very goopy.
It reminds me of like a little Lunchable.
Poke one of the gusher boys. Wait, I think you dip it into that, and then
the gummy.
Into the gummy, and then you coat it with the sugar. This one's different. We could be doing this completely wrong. Keep in mind.
You get like little candied apple, and I see the concept.
Okay, it's like a candy. Yeah, you're right.
And then you eat it.
Imagine if you hated this. All right, my turn.
Wow.
All right, here we go. My turn.
It's so good.
Wow.
10 out of 10.
It tastes like a very soft, like Starburst, dipped inside of like, you know, the inside of a gusher with sugar on top.
It does.
This little guy right here.
That is.
With this cute little face.
Umaibo. This delicious, it says delicious in quotes.
Oh God.
Stick is a puff corn snack with the perfect amount of crunch.
It's expired.
It's not expired. They just do the dates wrong. Oh, well, either if it's
if we die, we die.
If it's my time to go, it's my time to go. Okay, if it's either October 1st or January 10th, it's expired, so. It's just herby.
Those puppies are strong.
I'm not a fan of like corn puff things. Wait, it's my turn.
Oh. They gave us like 4 of them. Holy
mackerel! Why did they give us 8?
So I guess we'll both do one and then we'll switch.
Okay. I don't like the texture of it. You could try it.
Try mine. Mine's not that bad. It just tastes like a spicy Cheeto.
It is spicy Cheeto. This one's red, purple, and green.
Red, purple, and green.
So this is what the red looks like. Kind of smells barbecue-y.
Again, they're not a bad snack. It's just a big Cheeto puff, but it's just a very overwhelming flavor for me, and I wasn't as fan as those as the other stuff we've tried so far. Before we get into this next snack, if you guys know what flavor those colors are, leave down in the comments down below what flavor each of those colors are, because the thing doesn't really tell us, and I'm really curious.
Can I get a piece of that Kit Kat bar?
Ooh. Those Japanese Kit Kats are really popular. Like, seriously, a lot of people do like Kit Kats, like from Japan. They have crazy flavors.
That's what it says. It says, unlike their U.S. counterpart, Kit Kats in Japan are offered in over 300 unique flavors.
Yes, and in the U.S., we only get just regular Kit Kat.
Yeah, we just get Kit Kat and the white chocolate ones.
White chocolate.
And that's it.
Again, if you guys know the flavor of each of these and we can't figure it out, leave us down below.
Nina, mayday, mayday, Nina. Why does it look matcha?
Matcha?
Or wasabi?
No, don't say it's wasabi. Don't, is it?
Nina. Because I thought it was mint, because, like, is your strawberry? Alright, let me sniff this, John.
It tastes like a whole dessert, like a strawberry smoothie with, like...
Alright, let me try mine. I better not get the crappy one.
Mine is delicious. Mine's delicious. Try mine. Mine tastes like a raspberry strawberry cheesecake or something.
I don't know what that is. It's like earthy or something.
Why is everything earthy?
Again, I don't know.
I don't know either. That one's strong. Here's the packaging right here. Please help us down below what this Kit Kat is right here.
And I think the pink one's strawberry.
This one is definitely like some kind of like strawberry smoothie or cheesecake or something like that. Alright.
It's like matcha or something.
I feel like we had a lot of snacks this week. It looks like double bubble.
It does.
Like exactly. Are you sure? Are you sure? If it's gone, whatever. We'll just
Oh my
spit it out.
I love the packaging.
Why?
It's just cute.
I feel like Japan has the best packaging for their oh, it's got like little faces on it.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah.
Can you guys see the little face on the gum? Oh, it might be candy actually. Alright, cheers.
Cheers. It's grape. Holy crap.
Wow, that's good. I love grape stuff. I'm a big fan of the grape flavor.
I don't like grape, but it's good. Oh boy, sour gummies. Inspired by the delicious Japanese Ramune soda, this hard but chewy gummy candy has a delightful punchy sourness followed by a fizzy sweetness. Ooh, a fizz. Ooh, that was really sour.
I know. It smells sour, guys. Alright.
Oh, are they little turtles? Look at this turtle. I'm about to eat it.
Dang. It is cute. They do have the cute. Alright.
Okay. Sharp turn, sorry.
They do have the sharp turn. They do it. Are you eating it already? Cheers.
No. Wow.
You can't chew right through that as I thought you could. There's something in there. It squirted out.
Well, surprise. No, the reason why
when you hold it, it feels like a little gummy, like a sour gummy, and then you bite into it, and there's like a hard center. I'm gonna eat another one. They like pop. There's something in the middle. It really is like a soda gummy.
It's called Kami or Kam. Kami Roomba. Kami Roomba.
All right, I actually really like that one. I already ate 3.
God, slow down, fat boy.
Alright, but again, we hope you guys did enjoy today's video. This box was awesome. It's actually my favorite box we've done so far.
And probably the best we've done.
Yeah, like the packages were good. Dom didn't gag. Everything was, for the most part, sweet, and I like sweet stuff.
But the chips in the beginning were awesome,
The chips, everything was. I'm actually going to go back and eat most of this stuff, which most of the time I don't. This time, I'm definitely going to go back and eat some of this.
Oh, yeah.
But if you guys are from Japan, or have lived in Japan, or know anything about these snacks, and you're American, or European, whatever, if you know anything about these snacks, let us know down below what some of these flavors are. But definitely leave a like if you guys did enjoy it at any time. Subscribe if you're new around here. I'm Tom.
And I'm Dom.
And we will see you guys next time. Peace.